In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a meeting using Microsoft Teams on the web version, a quick and efficient way to connect with colleagues, friends, or classmates from the comfort of your browser. So let's dive right in and get you started on hosting your very own virtual meeting. First, you'll need to open your web browser and type in the URL teams.microsoft.com. This step brings you directly to the Microsoft Teams web interface, and you'll notice a prompt to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by following the instructions on the sign-in page. For existing users, simply enter your email and password before hitting Sign In. This process should be smooth and straightforward, assuming your login credentials are handy. Occasionally, you might encounter a two-factor authentication prompt, which is an additional security measure Microsoft employs to keep your account safe. Simply follow any additional steps provided on screen, and you should be able to access your Teams dashboard. Once you're signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main layout of the Teams interface. At first glance, it can seem a tad overwhelming, but I assure you it's rather intuitive and user-friendly. On the top left corner, you'll see various options, one of them being Meet Now. This button is your gateway to initiating a meeting, so go ahead and click on that. By clicking Meet Now, you'll trigger a panel that allows you to set up your meeting. The beauty of this feature is its simplicity. You can start a meeting almost instantaneously without having to jump through a myriad of hoops. Before launching the meeting, double-check your audio and video settings to ensure you're ready to go. Ensure your microphone and camera are functioning properly by using the test options if available. Additionally, you can preview your video to adjust lighting or camera angle before joining the meeting. If you're meeting with a specific group of people, utilize the invite functionality. Here, you can send personalized or group invitations to attendees by entering their email addresses. Keep in mind that these invites can also be sent through calendar integrations or direct links, giving you the flexibility to adapt the invitation process to what suits you best. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've seamlessly started a meeting on Microsoft Teams using the web platform. Remember, the more you familiarize yourself with these steps, the more comfortable and efficient you'll become at orchestrating virtual gatherings. Whether you're hosting for work, personal reasons, or educational purposes, Teams provides a robust platform for effective collaboration. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating Microsoft Teams web version.